often get a question if I release music on my own. So in today's video we're gonna deconstruct this cover remix I made for my techno profile. I had a weird idea to flip this German classic
Nein Mann, ich will noch nicht gehen.
into a hard techno banger.
Nein Mann. Nein Mann.
To be allowed to have your remix on Spotify, you have to get a cover license, and the way to get a cover license is to get the vocal re-sung or covered. So this whole project started with a cover vocal. I went to Fiverr and searched for a German rapper, and I came across this top-rated guy and asked if he was down to cover this vocal. After a while he came back with the vocal, and to be honest, it didn't sound great.
Nein Mann, ich will noch
I
nicht
forgot how
gehen.
bad it was actually.
Ich will noch ein
But the
bisschen
tonality and
tanzen.
accent of the vocal
Komm
sounds
schon,
actually quite alright. So I went to Automate, an AI converter, and searched for a more powerful vocalist. So I came across this
To break down the garden gate. There's not much.
and dropped in the vocal
Ich will
take.
noch nicht gehen.
Then just tweak the settings and hit convert, which
Ich will
gives us
noch ein
this
bisschen
vocal.
tanzen.
Already
Komm
sounds
schon,
better.
Alter, ist doch noch nicht so spät.
So I repeated that process multiple times,
Nein Mann, ich will noch nicht gehen.
creating different stems
Nein Mann.
and a lower one combined with a reverb. So altogether we took the vocal from this
Nein Mann, ich will noch nicht gehen.
to this.
Nein Mann, ich will noch nicht gehen.
We got a foundation of the vocal ready, so now we're gonna dive into kick and reverse bass. So first open up the bunker pack and pick a kick, sounding like this.
Nein Mann, ich will noch nicht gehen.
Then it's time for the bass, so add in a new Serum. Again, a preset from the bunker pack, the perfect one to create techno. And go for this reverse bass. Vocal is in F minor, so let's start off on the root note. And make a little variation at the end. Going up to the fourth. And drop it in. First I want to have a screech sound right here when it drops. And then bring back in the vocal in the second part to drop. We're also gonna add a kick fill later on right here. So then make it unique and make it a bit more melodic. We're still gonna go up to the fourth. And the
Nein
sixth.
Mann, ich will noch nicht gehen. Ich will noch ein bisschen.
We're also gonna fix the timing of the vocal.
Nein Mann, ich will noch nicht gehen.
Then we're gonna route the kick and bass to a bus channel. And compress it. Just like this, just to glue them a bit more together. So that's it for the kick and bass. Now we're gonna add in the screech sound. I opened up a new Serum and I picked the screech from the pack. I will link a breakdown of the preset down below as well. Let's use this basic screech. This one works on almost every track. I think we used it multiple times on the channel before as well. So of course we need to start off on the root notes. Yeah, it's already a solid rhythm. And just repeat it. It flows quite naturally this way. So just duplicate it and mix it. Of course, get rid of the low ends. Add some distortion. Really brings out the sound. Then push it to the sides. Because we got a bass and mono. And then we're gonna route this reverb to it. We're gonna automate the wetness later on, so just keep it like this for now. First finish the mixing with a sidechain and delay. So then what I did is automate the wetness. Quite a common trick to do. Let it open up during empty spots to create some sort of a reverse effect. Add some more energy to it. So then we need to spice it up some more. So I took this wobble sound and placed it right here. 1 octave down. Just to add some more interesting elements in there. Same with this dunk step. Place it like this. For every 2 bars there's something new happening. Yeah, that's perfect. Then just drop it in. Of course, let's drop in the Nein Mann as a pre-drop fill. Altogether sounding like this.
Nein Mann.
Yeah, it's really solid. We got a really dope foundation with the kick, bass, vocals and screeches. Now it's just a matter of filling up the song. So the first thing I want to do is add a kick fill to the empty parts. Let's go for this one and pitch it in key. Right now it's in A minor, so we need to pitch it down 4 semitones to have it in key. Sounding like this. Yeah, it's solid. Then search for a head loop. I want to go for this crunch kind of loop because in the essence it's a hard techno track, so we need the hard techno elements. Sounding like this. Yeah, it's better. So now we're gonna quickly spice it up with some more downlifters, uplifters, some more ambiances. So I just added some more effects to it with a downlifter, some uplifters to make the transition a bit smoother. Same for this part. Then there's arpeggiator kind of ambience. Steady ambience from the pack. And there's really dope synth loop, which all sits really nice in the back end of the track. Sounding like this. Creating a really dope atmosphere, in my opinion. So, those are all the ingredients we need to make a hard techno remix. I think the final result turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about this on the comments. Besides it, if you like the video, drop a like, stream the song right here, and I see y'all in the next videos.
Ich will nach Hause, der Barkeeper will nach Hause und der DJ ist müde, hörst du doch.
DJ, mach die Musik aus.
Nein Mann.